Good morning, Vicky with Vicky Woo Marketing, and I'm going to say something I never thought I would say. There is now a COVID-19 conspiracy theory that is actually related to SEO. So, let me explain. The latest thing I saw going around on social media was to go to Google and type in any three numbers and add the words new cases. And you get lots of results. And no matter which three-digit number you use, there's a ton of results. The argument is that there's no way there's that many cases, and therefore it must be a conspiracy. This actually directly relates to SEO, and let me explain to you a little bit about how this works. First, pretty much any three digits and any set of words you use is going to come up with a ton of results. And there's a couple reasons that this happens. For instance, if you put 591 Marketing Guru, my result is going to be, I think it's number 2 on the page. You're going to find me and a lot of other entries. Why this happens is two parts. One is on-page or on-site SEO, and the other one is one of Google's newer strategies related to user intent. Let's talk about why I told you to search 591 Marketing Guru. Almost every business has two different sets of three-digit numbers on their website, and that would be their phone number. My office number happens to have the middle three digits, 591. My company used to be named Vicky Woo Marketing Guru, so if you search Marketing Guru, you're probably going to find me, and if you put 591 and Marketing Guru together, you should definitely find me. That's not the company name anymore, but it was just to give you an example. If you search a three-digit number with the words new cases, you're going to find a lot of websites that have that three-digit number possibly in their phone number. You're also going to find a lot of websites with those three digits in the number of new cases. It may be 3 digits, it may be 7, 8, 10 digits, and those are 3 included in that. It could also be, unfortunately, the number of deaths. It could be the number of people recovered. It could be that number for today, for the month, for the year. It could be for last month. It could be for the month before. It could be for the week. It could be a state, a city, a country, and that country's states and cities. There's a lot of variables that go into websites having that combination of a three-digit number and the words new cases on their website. In addition, you may have, for example, Texas may release a statement of the number of new cases in any one day that has that three-digit number in it. For example, 111. I don't know that we've had that many new cases any day, so I'm just using this as an example. So if the state health department were to release that number, then you're going to have news media and even some just personal bloggers picking up the story and also posting it on theirs. So where you started with one website, a reputable one like the government health department, and I know some people argue and say government's not reputable, just bear with me. Instead of one, you suddenly have 20, 30, 50, 100. If every newspaper in the state posted that on their website, you could potentially have thousands reporting that same number that day in that city with the word new cases tied to it. So between the phone number and between actual case reporting, whether it's just a three-digit number or it's a larger number such as total cases for the month 20,111, you're going to find those results. Another thing that happens with SEO is also user intent. And this is one of the strategies that we really delve into in our new SEO Accelerator program that I've told you a couple times about in the past. It's no longer just about keywords. If it was just about keywords, you may actually not find as many results when you went to search. However, now Google is taking into account user intent. And right now, with the number of searches about COVID-19, the words new cases almost always relate to COVID-19. So Google understands if you type in the words new cases, you're looking for something related to COVID. And this is where it comes in that it's possible that the number, the 3-digit number you search, isn't even on the website anywhere. And I'm going to pull up something on my phone and show you a random search I did yesterday. I searched the number 946 and new cases. Two things I want you to see here. One, missing 946. So on this one, that website doesn't even have the number 946 on it anywhere. That is more related to user intent. Google understands you may not be as concerned about the number 946 as you are about the words new cases. And so right next to that missing, it gives you an option to click if you must include that number. And then the other piece related to user intent and to on-page SEO, you'll notice this one, their phone number actually has the number I searched. So is this some big conspiracy theory that a lot of websites are showing the exact same number of 3-digit number cases on the same day? No. If you do this search for any number combination, you're going to find pages that go back to March, February in some cases. You're going to find pages from overseas. You're going to find pages from local health department, news outlets, all kinds of different pages. So this doesn't make it a conspiracy theory, and it doesn't mean that everybody's just reporting the same number every day. It's literally a feature of Google's algorithm that will combine both on-page and on-site SEO, such as in the case with the health department that has a phone number with 946 in it, and user intent, which is you looking for the words new cases, and it's going to show you results even if that exact number isn't included. Having said all that, I never thought I would have to explain a conspiracy theory and use SEO algorithm to do it. But that's the world that we live in right now. This is what happens. Try it out yourself. Search any 3-digit number in the word new cases. Let me know what you find. And then also try it searching any 3-digit number and any random word combination. You're still going to find hundreds and thousands of websites, and that one isn't a conspiracy either. If you want to learn some of the newest and best strategies for search engine optimization that are proven to get good results and are some of Google's newest strategies that you really need to be optimizing not just your website, but really all of your marketing in general, then you need to check out our new SEO accelerator. If you go to the website, vickiwoo.marketing, and right down in the second section, it's right under the big hero image at the top, you'll find a link to join the wait list for the new SEO accelerator. Our next class opens soon. We do tightly limit the number of people attending so that we can give as much one-on-one support as possible. But we teach you the exact strategies we use for search engine optimization using traditional strategies such as on-page SEO, plus some of Google's newest algorithm updates, voice search, user intent, answer box, and preparing for the one they've announced that they will likely release in 2021. Go to the website, get on the wait list, and as soon as it opens, we'll be sending you more information on how you can participate and get your website well set for long-term organic results. As always, if you have any question, you can drop it down below or visit the website vickiwoo.marketing, and in the lower right-hand corner, you'll find a chat bubble icon. You can click and ask your question there, and we'll try to answer you directly, or we may use your question on an upcoming episode. While you're here, check out our other videos and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss the latest marketing tips.